very important problem from polynomial, or it is said to from theory of equation. And the problem is, if the equation, this is a 4-degree equation, that is biquadratic equation, has 3 equal roots. Okay, show a root with multiplicity 3. Then each of them is equal to. We have to find the value of the equal root. Okay, here we solve easily this problem by using a simple property of polynomial. This property gives that if alpha be a root of fx equal to 0 with multiplicity n, if alpha be a root of fx equal to 0 with multiplicity n, then alpha is also a root of f dash x equal to 0 with multiplicity less than 1 by n, that is n minus 1. This is very simple and interesting property of polynomial. And here it is given that this equation has 3 equal roots. Let alpha be the multiplicity 3 of fx equal to 0, where fx is given by this. Okay. Now we have to find the value of f dash x. F dash x, this means 4x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx plus c, this is equal to 0. And for this equation, we know that alpha is a root of multiplicity 3 minus 1, this is 2. Okay, and again we differentiate this equation and getting the result as this is 12x square plus 6ax plus 2b, this is equal to 0, or we write this equation as 6x square plus 3ax plus b, this is equal to 0. Okay, and clearly we say that alpha is also a root of f double dash x equal to 0, that is this equation with multiplicity 1, or we say that alpha is a simple root of f double dash x, this is equal to 0, using the same property. Okay, now we try to solve these two equations. Let it be 1 and it be 2 for x. If we find the value of x, then x must be the equal root, that is x must be the value of alpha. Okay, how to solve 1 and 2 for x? Here we put the value of x square. We first find the value of x square. X square, this is equal to minus ax by 2 minus b by 6. Okay, find the value of x square from here. This is 3ax by 6 minus b by 6. Now putting the value of x square in equation number 1, so we get 4x into the value of x square is minus ax by 2 minus b by 6 plus 3a into minus ax by 2 minus b by 6 plus 2bx plus c, this is equal to 0. We put the value of x square in equation number 1. Now getting the result as minus 2a x square minus this is 4bx by 6 minus 3 square x by 2 minus this is given by ab by 2 plus 2bx plus c, this is equal to 0. Now again we put the value of x square. From here we get minus 2a into minus ax by 2 minus b by 6 minus 2bx by 3 minus 3 square x by 2 minus ab by 2 plus 2bx plus c, this is equal to 0. Now we write all the term containing x first, and from here we get this is a square, and this is minus 2b by 3. This is minus 3 square by 2, and this is plus 2b into x. Here we write by taking common, and we write all the constant terms, that is the term 3 from x, in the right side. The first term is ab by 2, second term is minus c, and this is minus 2ab by 6. Okay, this is 2ab by 6, that is ab by 3 we write. By taking LCM from left side we get this is by 6, and this is given by this is 6 square minus 4b, and the third term is minus 9 square plus this is 12b, right, into x, and the right side is also LCM is 6, and this is given by 3ab minus 6c minus 2ab. 6 cancel out, so we get x. This is equal to ab minus 6c by, we get from here, this is 6 square minus 9 square, 6 square minus 9 square, so we get this is minus 3 square, and from here we get minus, this is 12, not 2, so minus 4b plus 12b, so this is minus 8b. Okay, so we get the result as 6c minus ab by 8b minus 3 square. So our correct option is given by 6c minus this, and this is not like that, this is 3 square minus 8b, because we taking common minus from the numerator. Okay, so we multiply denominator also by minus, so we get the result. This is the first option. Clearly this is the first option, because 6c minus ab by 3 square minus 8b. This is very important type problem.